There are 6 important operations. Okay. Up to here we have studied addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. All the functions are appearing here as well. Okay. But there are additionally 2 more functions in fractions we are going to discuss furthermore. So first one is B. Okay. First one is B. B means bracket. Okay. Bracket. When we are doing a question, so this is very important to concern about the order of the priority in fractional manner. So first priority should belongs to bracket. Okay. Bracket. In questions I'll explain them deeply. Second one, O. O means off. Off is indicating multiplication. Okay. Off is also a kind of multiplication, but if we have multiplication and off, we have to give priority to off. Third one is D. D means division. D means division. Division, you already know what is division. This is division. Okay. It would be our division. Then after we have multiplication. BODMAS. Okay. M means multiplication. Multiplication. Multiplication also cross, but off means multiplication. Multiplication also means multiplication. Okay. Both are same, but according to the fractional order. Okay. Fractional priority order. So you should give priority to the off function. Okay. In questions, let's see that deeply. Next, A. A means addition. Addition. Last one is S. BODMAS. BODMAS. Last one is subtraction. Okay. Last one is subtraction. Subtraction means minus. Okay. This is the order we need to follow while doing operations of fractional values. Okay. Fractional values. That means denominator, numerator. In fraction, there is a numerator and there is another denominator. Denominator is in down, numerator on top. Okay, you know all of them, how to add, how to multiply, how to divide, how to subtract. We know those functions, but here the important thing is to use this particular order. Okay, when we have a combination of many orders, we have to follow this method, BODMAS method, to do our fractional question. That's the thing we are going to study furthermore. In our first question, we have 5, no, 6 over 1 plus 3 over 1 multiplied with 2 over 1. Okay, this is our question. In this question, look at this. There are 2 operations. Okay, look at this. There are 2 operations. One is addition, another one is multiplication. But in order, first one is addition, second one multiplication. But we are not going to follow the question order. We have to follow the fractional priority order, the BODMAS. According to BODMAS, bracket of division, multiplication. Amongst these two, you should concern about the multiplication. So, in this question, there is no any brackets here. There is no any brackets. So, we have to put a bracket. Okay, we have to put a pair of bracket to indicate that we have to do this operation first. Try to understand. There are 2 operations. Amongst these two, our priority belongs to this multiplication. So to indicate that one, you should use a pair of brackets to indicate that. Then after, you can do that operation first. You can keep 1 upon 6 and plus mark as it is. No need to do anything with that. So you should keep this one as it is. You should do the operation inside this bracket. What is here? This is multiplication, so no need to find the LCM or equivalent fraction, anything else. You can directly multiply. 1 ones are 1, 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6. Mark these 2 operations. We did the multiplication operation first. Okay, then after we have only one operation. Okay, that means the denominators are same. So 6 and 6 in final answer also the denominator would be 6. You should add the numerators. 1 plus 1 it will become 2. It will become 2. And you should practice one more thing. You cannot keep the fraction as it is. You should give the fraction. If you have a proper fraction, if it is possible to make simplification, you should simplify that fraction. If that was an improper fraction, you should make that one as a mixed fraction. So here we can simplify this by using number 2. 1 and here 3 times 2. So 1 upon 3 would be the final answer. The question is easy, okay? Multiplication and addition. So we have to do the multiplication first. That's what we did here. Then after you should do the addition. Finally, this is just simplification. There is no any relationship between BODMAS and this simplification. This is a usual thing you should do in your final answer, the simplified version of your answer. Okay, let's try one more question as well. In the second question, we will have 3 over 2 divided by 6 over 5 added with 5 over, no, subtracted by 5 over 1. Okay, this is our question. We are going to do the question according to the fractional order. Okay, there are two operations, bracket and division and subtraction. BODMAS bracket of division. So priority belongs to division. So you should do the operation of division first. Division means we cannot do the division operation as division. Okay, you know that we have to make division as a multiplication. That means 2 upon 3 multiplied with the right side fractions reciprocal. So it will become 6 upon 5. Okay, 6 upon 5. So here you can you just made the division as multiplication. You should do the division operation. That means in division we cannot do the division itself. No. So we have to convert division as multiplication. Then after we can do the operation between them. Minus 1 upon 5, that remains same. That remains same as it is. After this, I'll write the next step over here. Okay. After this, the next step should be here. Here we can simplify this. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. Then after 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 1 5s are 5. Minus 1 upon 4. Minus 1 upon 4. We did the division operation, that means the multiplication. Then after subtraction. So after subtraction, the denominators are same. We can write the same denominator. In numerator, you should do subtraction. For minus 1, it would be 3. It would be 3. If there is more than one operation occurs, you should follow BODMAS rule to approach your question. So amongst these first two operations, you should give priority to your multiplication. So we have to do that one as our first one. So 1 upon 2 plus, here we can simplify this. It's 3, it's 1, so 5 over 9. In these two, the denominators are not same. No, denominators are not same. So you know that you should multiply. If there are two fractions with different denominators while addition or subtraction, you should multiply first fraction by next denominator, next fraction by first denominator. So it will become 9 upon 18 plus 10 upon 18. So when we add, it will become 19 upon 18. 19 upon 18 is an improper fraction. So definitely you should convert this one as a mixed fraction. So 1 is to 1 upon 18. 1 is to 1 upon 18. Likewise, you should represent your mixed fraction, the improper fraction as a mixed fraction finally. So in the next question, there are two operations. In those two, you have to do the division first. So 3 over 8 multiplied with 4 upon 3, reciprocal of the previous one. So here we can simplify this 1 time, here 2 times, 1 times, minus 3 upon 8. This is equals to 1 over 2 minus 3 over 8. So here the denominator was 8. So first one, when we multiply the first fraction by 4, that will give you the same denominator. So we can multiply only one fraction's denominator and numerator. So 4 upon 8 minus 3 upon 8. So when you subtract, finally your answer would be 1 upon 8. Okay, 1 upon 8. This is the answer for the fourth part question. Okay, if there are two operations, this is the way you should answer to the question. Okay, I'll explain this question. Here, first of all, before start doing to do the operations between these fractions, if there are mixed fractions, first of all, you should convert the mixed fractions as improper fractions. So 1 upon 4, keep all the things as it is. The mixed fraction should be converted as improper fraction. So 3 into 3 is 10. 9 plus 1, it would be 10 divided by 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Then after we can give priority to the BODMAS order. Bracket of is the mark these two. Our priority belongs to off. So off means multiplication. Okay, nothing else, multiplication. So 4 over 1 upon 4 multiplied with 10 over 3 divided by 13 upon 6. So here we can simplify this 4 and 10. 4 and 10 can be simplified 2 times. Here it would be 5 times. 5 over 6 divided by 13 over 6. Divided by 13 over 6. Here we have only one operation left. So we can do that one. Division means that should be converted as multiplication. Its reciprocal would be 6 upon 13. Here we can simplify this 6 and 6. One time. Then after finally 5 ones are 5. 1 13s are 13. This is the way you should do. First of all, before doing anything, before do any operation, first thing you should convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions, then off and division. According to BODMAS order, we have to give priority to off function. But we did off is multiplication. Okay, we can do that one. Then after there's a division. Finally, you can do the division by converting the division as a multiplication. That's all.